You know what the most dangerous thing in the world is? A person who stops learning. A person who thinks they already know enough. Because the moment you stop learning, you stop growing, and the moment you stop growing, you become replaceable, irrelevant, forgotten. So listen up, because today we're going to talk about your greatest power, your mind. And why you must educate yourself every single day. Imagine this, two people start at the same point in life. One decides they know enough and stays the same. The other reads, learns, listens, grows every single day. 5 years later, one is stuck and the other is unstoppable. Who do you want to be? Education isn't about degrees, it's about curiosity. It's about waking up every morning and saying, what can I learn today that will make me better than I was yesterday? The world you live in today is not the same world you were born into. It's not even the same world it was 5 years ago. Every second, something is changing. Technology is advancing, industries are evolving, and new ideas are replacing old ones. The question is, are you changing with it? Or are you stuck in the past, holding on to outdated knowledge while the world moves ahead without you? Think about the phone in your pocket. 10 years ago, you wouldn't believe the things it can do today. Imagine if someone still carried a flip phone and refused to upgrade, saying, this is enough for me. What would happen? They'd miss out. They'd be disconnected. They'd struggle to keep up with a world that has already moved on. That's exactly what happens when you stop educating yourself. You become outdated, you become irrelevant. You become stuck in a version of yourself that no longer fits in this world. Look at the most successful people in any field. Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, Warren Buffett. What do they all have in common? They never stop learning. Warren Buffett still reads 500 pages a day. Elon Musk taught himself rocket science. Oprah constantly seeks new knowledge to improve herself and the world around her. These people understand something most don't. The moment you stop growing is the moment you start dying. And it's not just about reading books. Education is everywhere. It's in the conversations you have, the experiences you go through, and the lessons hidden in your failures. The most powerful minds in the world don't just learn from success. They learn from every single thing that happens to them. Imagine two people start working at the same job on the same day. One of them comes in, does what they're told, and goes home. The other, they ask questions, they study, they watch how the top performers work, they improve themselves every day. 5 years later, one is still stuck in the same position, complaining about why life isn't fair. The other, a leader, a decision maker, someone who is irreplaceable. This is why you must evolve. You must outgrow who you were yesterday. People who refuse to grow will always struggle. They will always wonder why they aren't getting ahead, while the world rewards those who are willing to adapt. Take a moment and think about the people around you. Some of them are still talking about the same things they talked about 5 years ago. They haven't changed. Their conversations are the same. Their mindset is the same. And where are they now? Exactly where they were before. Because they refuse to learn, they refuse to upgrade themselves. Now think about yourself. Do you want to be the person who stays the same, who watches opportunities pass by because they weren't prepared? Or do you want to be the one who grows so much that people don't even recognize you anymore? The one who leaves behind the old version of themselves and steps into something greater? There is no excuse in today's world to stay the same. The internet has given you access to unlimited knowledge. You can learn anything, anytime, anywhere. You can listen to podcasts on the way to work. You can take courses from the world's greatest minds without leaving your house. You can find answers to any question with a simple search. But most people won't do it. Most people will waste hours scrolling, watching nonsense, filling their minds with distractions instead of power. And then they'll wonder why they feel lost, why they feel stuck, why they feel like life isn't going anywhere. You have a choice every single day.